Hello, my name is Stephanie and I wanted to personally welcome you to Martinmade. For years, my husband and I have desired more than anything to use the talents that God has given us to help others. And how we plan to do that here on Martinmade is by uploading helpful content. Content such as how-to and DIY videos. Home decor. Of course, cooking videos. Cleaning, and beekeeping. We truly hope this channel will inspire you to try things that you want to try and reach for things you thought you never could do. Son Silas, my husband James, and myself, thank you so much for watching, and may God truly bless you.